We're gonna build a little wood storage shed today. Y'all come along with us. Check us out. Crocs and Socks Outdoors. All right, y'all, what's up? I said I was building a little wood storage shed. I should have said firewood storage shed. So you can see these black plastic pallets I got right here. Got 3 of them. The video for just a second, anyway, so maybe you get an adjust of it now. This is the back wall. The front wall is going to be a little taller. It'll be a lean-to roof, and then this side, that other side, and this back will be covered with metal and a metal roof. Mainly just because I turned it this way, I've got enough room to get. So now you're getting the gist of it, I'm sure. This is gonna be open right here. Those tops where I put this piece right here across, that's where my metal's gonna stop. So you can get some airflow in the top right there. And they'll be able to get airflow under these pallets and stuff. And the metal's gonna go on the back. The metal's gonna attach here and there. And now we're gonna start on getting the roof put on. And this is just some leftover metal. Actually, it was some metal that I ordered one time, and when it got delivered, it had a kink in it, a couple of the pieces, where they looked like they had set something on top. So the metal place was like, hey, just hold on to that. You can have that, and we'll redo your order. So it's just some leftover metal. Ain't really costing me anything, and some leftover metal from the chicken coop. So, you know, just a few 4x4s and some 2x4s, and we'll frame it up. But it's pretty solid now. Now we are going to anchor it in the ground. I started to set the post in concrete and set it in the ground, but you just never know. With something like this, you may decide a couple years down the road you want to move it, put it somewhere else. So I didn't want to set the post in concrete and have to deal with that later. I'm going to use some tie downs like I did on that shed right there and tie it down real good, and it ain't going anywhere from there. So anyway, had some help out here. My youngest daughter Kaylee helped for a little bit, and then my wife's out here with me now. So we'll put you back on a time lapse. Gonna try to get some of this metal cut. And God, I don't like messing with metal, but anyway, we'll try to get it cut and get it put up there, see if we can get the metal on today. Went to old school, turned the blade around backwards in the skill saw right there. So we're gonna get some more sheets cut here and get them put up. And that seemed to work a little better. That was a lot faster than trying those snipper things. I don't know, those, we've used those before when you cut trim and things like that, and they work pretty good. But when you get over those humps in that metal is what those snippers have a hard time. So anyway, let's get back to it. Okay, that's the roof. That ought to be the toughest part. Now we'll just start putting some metal on the sides. Not too bad. Took about 10-15 minutes to put the roof on. It ain't super pretty. It's leftover metal, but it'll be all right. It's just to cover up some firewood. We're gonna take a second to pause this video just to show you. This video today is gonna be brought to you by Super Clean. That's our product of the day. Super Clean sent us some products out, and I've been meaning to make a video for them. They were gracious enough. They sent me this and something else, and a t-shirt, which was really nice. And we really like Super Clean. If you watch a lot of YouTube videos, they sponsor a lot of small creators on there. And I'll show you, that's a degreaser. So that's a degreaser right there that she has, and that's just a regular spray bottle, just to squirt it down. It is super strong. You really got to watch what you use it on, because it's not a play around toy degreaser. This is not something you buy on a Walmart shelf that's weak and doesn't really work. And this is the aerosol one right here. So like the foaming one, and that's just a spray. So y'all, Super Clean, if you're interested, make sure y'all check it out. We really like their products. They are a very good company. And spray it down, baby. You can see it foams up really good. Just a really good, strong, all-purpose degreaser. But like I say, watch what you use it on, because it is strong. It's gonna cut it and take it right off of there, no problem. Any little dirt and stuff like that. Anyway, back to the video. All right, y'all. Well, that's about it. Guess that's gonna just about do it for this video. We just rinsing it off a little bit, get some of that old dirt and stuff that was built up on that metal. But we use the plastic pallets right there. I can build some dividers in here if need be down the road, maybe to, separate it. I don't know. I don't store a whole lot of firewood, but I'm just tired of it being in my barn and stuff. So just some leftover metal, a couple 4x4s, a few 2x4s, and an afternoon worth of work. Not too bad. Got it all built. Give you a little look around here. Got it all screwed off, all the bottoms all screwed off, everything. Got left like that up there at the top so it can get some air, and let it, as it dries out and evaporates, I guess, can get out, and those pallets will keep it up off the ground, keep it from getting wet. And like I said, this shed right here should shield a lot of any driving rain. Some of it. There's still gonna be some gonna get in here, and I could come back, I guess, and add a piece of metal across this front, come down a little bit just to stop some of it, but we'll see. I'll watch it the next time it rains and see what it does. But not too bad. So anyway, thank y'all for watching Crocs and Socks. This was a little firewood shed storage, whatever you want to call it, wood hut, I don't know, metal wood shed, whatever. Anyway, check us out, y'all. This is the kind of stuff we put on YouTube. We also have a TikTok channel that we put stuff on there, so you can catch us on there. I'll put the link down below for that, and there'll be links for any of the tools or anything we use in this video. A lot of stuff comes from TikTok shop, like these sheds and things like that, that we promote on there. So if you're interested in buying stuff, some tools and stuff, a lot of times I have really good deals on TikTok shop, and I have them, all my videos on there, so you're welcome to go shop my showcase if you want to. And it helps us out. We get a little commission off of it, and it's fun doing it. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. Catch y'all on the next one.